my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I've changed the background a little. I'm literally sitting in my bed and I'm filming it, and this video, by the title you already know, this is all the makeup that I got from my international Europe trip. My hair is up in a ponytail because I cannot function, and these are all the things that I got from my international trip recently that I went to Sweden and Finland. If you have not checked out those vlogs, I will leave it up in the cards, so check it out. But let's get started. First, let's get started with like the basic lifestyle caring kind of a thing. The first one that I picked up is a toothbrush, you guys. This toothbrush costed me around 45 rupees and I really liked it, so I wanted to like have a toothbrush. It's a random purchase that I did. This is one. The next couple of things that I got are actually from H&M. These are their bath bombs. This is basically what my brother got for me. I really love how pretty they look. This is more like a strawberry fragrance and these are watermelon fragrance. I really want to like immerse myself and enjoy this. My mom has a bathtub, so definitely gonna take it there. The next one that I have is something everybody needs if you're having long nails. These are these brushes. So basically when you have long nails and if anything goes like the dirt or something like that, I love using these. I used the normal face brush one, but I was wanting these, so I picked it up. So all the three pieces, yeah, they are like three different colors. There's a gray, there's a white, and there's a pink. Really pretty. I like these. The next thing I picked up is actually a makeup removing glove. So I have a normal makeup removing pads like the Earth Rhythm ones, but I wanted something to put my hand in because it's easier to like maneuver under my eyes, like right in the corner and things like that. So I picked up this. This is like a glove, so you can basically insert your hand inside. You can just wash it off. The next two things are something related to makeup. The first one is from Beauty Blender. This is their puff. This is their power pocket puff. It's a dual-sided powder puff. I really like this one so much. So I picked it up, and you cannot find Beauty Blender in India, so I picked it up there. The next one that I have is a very special brush. This is the Real Techniques concealer brush. This has been making rounds on the internet like nobody's business, so I wanted to like try and look how the fuss is all about, and I've been waiting to use all of these, you guys, because I wanted to show you guys first and only then use it. So this is that. Now coming to an entire category of lip balms. Okay, I have a lot of lip balms when I talk about it, so let's get started. The first one I have is the Dr. Pawpaw Overnight Lip Mask. I've heard such good reviews about this, and I was very scared that I might not get this another packet of this, so I picked up two of these. This is the Overnight Lip Mask and this is the Shea Butter Balm. So both of these are really good. You can use them on your cuticles, you can use them on your lips, any dry patches, you can definitely use these, and these are really good. I've heard Manny and Jaclyn Hill rave about these, so I picked these up. The next one I picked up is actually called as a Blistix. I do not have an SPF lip balm, so I picked this up. This is the Blistix Ultra SPF 50. Yeah, it just has an SPF. That is the only reason I picked up. And next, picked up a lot of Burt's Bees. The first one in Burt's Bees I picked up is the pomegranate one. The next one I have is their original beeswax. The next one is the coconut and the pear Burt's Bee. Then we have the Ultra Conditioning Burt's Bee Lip Balm. The last two I have is the pink fruit. This is the pink grapefruit, and the last one is the vanilla bean. I already have the honey one that Lalit is already using. So Lalit also likes to use lip balms, so he picked up all of these. Those are all the lip balms that I have. I bought a lot of lip balms, no jokes. I only bought one product for my hair, and that is the Tony & Guy's Sea Salt Texturing Spray. I really wanted to try this. Like, you know, for your beachy waves and all of that. Not that I am doing anything now because I'm sweating from the day I came here. I do not know. But if you can hear a little bit of sound, my AC is on, that is why. But this is the Tony & Guy one. I really liked it, so I picked this up. Another thing that I picked up is the Nivea Black and White deodorant. This is their roll-on invisible silky smooth. I have not seen this in India, so I picked it up. I really like the packaging and it is very clear, so I like this part of it, so I picked this up. Alrighty, next we're coming to Victoria's Secrets. I picked up like 4 things from Victoria's Secrets. The first one is their Romantic Fragrance Lotion. This is Pink Petals Sheer Musk. Really love the smell of this, yeah. Oh my god, it's amazing. And the other one that I picked up is Victoria's Secret's Aqua Kiss. I love this one so much. It smells like water. You know why? I don't know why, but it smells like being on Greece. I don't know why. And I'm definitely wishing to go to Greece. The next one that I picked up is their mist. Like, can you go to Victoria's Secrets and not pick up their mist? So I got this one. This is their Deep Amber. This smells amazing, you guys. Oh my god, it has that musky scent, but it is sweet. It's really, really nice. I like this one. Another one, this is one of my personal favorites. This is the Victoria's Secret Love Spell. It has cherry blossom. Oh my god, this is the OG Victoria's Secret, you guys. I love this fragrance so much. Love it. Next, healthcare or like, you know, personal care thing that I picked up is actually their Gillette Venus Olay. This has coconut flavor. This is like a coconut flavor or fragrance or whatever it is. I've already used one. I gave it to my cousin and I just have one left. I really like this. Yeah, I don't know why they don't open it in India. Yeah, you can get it now. These are so expensive there also. Like personally, I think personal care there is expensive. They can release it now. This is like Venus plus Olay thing, something. I don't know, whatever that is. Alright, now let's get started with makeup. The first one that I picked up is the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1. This is a primer, powder, concealer, BB cream. It is in a matte whipped cream consistency. This is how it looks like. It's a very small one. But the best part is I could find my shade and I'm happy with it. This is in the shade 03 medium. Really like it. I think they have like 4 shades. I got the third shade. Really like this one. I matched my shades perfectly when I'm getting it because I do not want to regret. So that's that. The next one that I have is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is their foundation. My dear god, it's so beautiful, you guys. Look at it. Look at that glass bottle. This cute little hearts. I really love it. It comes in a pump packaging. And I'm in the shade 7. This is the shade 7 Flawless Brightening Foundation. This is just called as a Flawless Brightening Foundation. It has an SPF of 15, a PA+++. I really like this part of it. So yeah, really pretty. I love it. The next one is something that I've seen a lot of American influencers rave about. It is the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream. This has SPF 50, UVB protection. It is a hydrating and anti-aging concealer with color correcting full coverage cream. I got this in the shade Rich and this is how it is. I really like the packaging. It again has a pump. Like all of these products come with a pump and I'm happy about it. So I picked up these. Now let's talk about concealers. I have about 3 concealers. The first one I have is the Benefit Bowing Concealer. This is a sheer coverage one and this is in the shade 04. I love the packaging of Bowing here. This is very pretty. And you just open it and it comes like this. It has like a cream all over and a concealer in the middle. When I bought this, the tester itself did not have a lot of product. And then when I came back to the room and I checked it up, I looked like, I don't know whether I'll use a concealer like this with a lot of cream. But let's see what happens. But this is in the shade 04. It's a hydrating concealer. That's all. There's nothing else that is written in this. The next concealer that I bought from Benefit is something that I really wanted to try. This is the Benefit Cakeless Concealer. Let me open and show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It's the typical like eraser kind of a packaging concealer. I really like this one. It does not have any smell and this is in the shade 08. The next 2 concealers that I have are something drugstore. The first one is the Maybelline Superstay Concealer. This is in the shade 45. I really like this. I wanted to try the foundation as well, but I could not find that in my shade. So I picked this up. Another concealer that I picked was something that is, I don't know, I've heard people telling that it's discontinued. I've checked it in Nykaa and most of the times it's out of stock. And that is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the More Than Concealer thing. And this is in the shade 338 Honey. I really like this. I think I have the shade 314 that I use for highlighting. But I wanted a shade that matches my exact under eyes. It's very dark, but this is the color. Those are all the concealers and foundations. Now let's go on to mascaras. I just have 2 mascaras and both of them are drugstore. And I don't know, the first one that I have is the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift. I am not somebody who's too high on mascaras. because I have a lot of mascaras, and in India mascaras are very cheap. These mascaras were expensive. I got these for 800 bucks, but in India it's like around 400, 500 and all of that. But I wanted to buy some mascara, so I bought this. The another one, when I got this was not available in India. Now it is. I cannot do anything. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Both of these are Maybelline products, and I got this. Alright, now let's talk about a contour product that I really want to try, and that is the Bahama Mama. This is the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama, and this is the shade. I love how gorgeous it is. I know for a fact I'm gonna get that sun-kissed bronzy look. Love it, and I definitely am gonna try this very soon. Okay, now let's go on to the lip liners. I have two lip liners with me. Both of them are from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich lip liner. This is in the shade 124 and this is in the shade 302. Both of them are pretty much the same kind of a pink nude situation. This looks much pink in camera, but it is not. It is a natural nude mauve situation, but both of these are what I picked up. Now let's come on to the lipsticks. Yeah, I'm excited for the lipsticks. The lipsticks that I bought, none of them are available in India, and I'm very happy that I made the purchase. The lipsticks are from Maybelline. These are their Super Stay Vinyl Inks, and this is in the shade 10 Lippy. I got them in so many shades. The other one is 40 Witty, and the last shade is 25. Oh, I don't know what it is called, but it is a deep, beautiful red. I love these colors. Like, look at the colors here. Lovely colors. I love them. This is more like a brown purpley mauve. This is a natural mauve, and this is the brightest red you can find. This is the shade that I've been wearing in all of my I think the second part of the Sweden vlogs. This is the lipstick I'm wearing. Love these so much. The next two lipsticks that I have are from NYX. This is their Shine Out Loud lipsticks. Now this has like both of these are like similar, but this comes with a matte lipstick and a light gloss. Like literally the gloss is very beautiful is what I've heard. So I'm going to try these. My battery is running out, so I'm going to do it very fast. The next two things that I have are lifter glosses from Maybelline. This is in the shade Moon and this is in the shade Petal. Definitely wait for the reviews. They're coming very soon. And the last product that I have is from Rimmel. This is their face contour thing. Like this has all the three. This has a highlighter, bronzer and a blush. Blush is much more shimmery, but I really like this palette. Amazing. But those are all the makeup and like skincare related products that I got from my Europe trip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.